Today, we're going to build an X-Wing fighter using 6 Lego pieces. These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs. The first thing we're going to do is grab a headlight brick, and you get to that part that kind of shoots out a bit is in the back of our X-Wing. And then to create the nose of our X-Wing, we're going to take a 1x1 slope piece and have it so that the thin part's on top, and then it slopes down towards the thick part. And then on top here, to create our cockpit, we're going to get a 1x1 translucent black tile piece and just put that right there on that top stud. And then here we've got the front of our X-Wing. Now to create the wings, we're going to get a 1x2 jumper plate, and I'm using red to create, Luke Skywalker's squadron. And we're going to put it right there, a little hole in the stud. And then to create those famous X-Wings, the S-foils, we're going to get a 1x1 plate with clip-on side and just put it right there in the back of the jumper plate. And on the other side, and there you have an X-Wing fighter ready to make its approach on the Death Star trench. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.